Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll be diving into boot animations in Flint UI Designer. A boot animation is a visual sequence displayed during a device's startup that signals the system is loading. It enhances the user experience and often includes branding or logos. First, let's create an EFX file for your animation. Right-click on the Images folder, select New, and choose Project. In the dialog that appears, select Sparklet EFX as the type. Next, set the EFX type to Animation and click Next. Enter the file name. For example, Boot EFX, and your EFX file is created. Now, place the exported image sequence in the Sequences folder under Images. In this example, we have exported approximately 40 JPEG images as a sequence. Now, click Add, select Sequence Space Type as Image Sequence, and set the initial image in the sequence by clicking on the base value. Click OK to confirm. At this point, the image sequence has been added, and you can preview the animation in the preview section. Your EFX file has been successfully created. Next, navigate to flint.efp in the Flint Navigator and select the Custom Events tab. A custom event is mainly added to notify the application when the animation transition is completed. Click Add, then enter the event name, ID, and set the value as 1, and click OK to confirm. In the default application window file, select the window, and in the properties, set Boot EFX as the background image. Next, generate a data variable for the animation. Then, in the Advanced tab of the widget properties, set image style to animation control, and map the data variable to control data. Next, let's set up a welcome screen view for boot animation. Begin by creating a fixed view widget. Now, move to the Animation tab. Right-click, select Add Animation, and choose Entry. In the dialog, provide the animation name, ID, and the total duration in milliseconds. Click OK to confirm. Next, we'll add transitions. Go to the Animation Editor, right-click on the view, and select Add Transition. Set the transition type to linear and the transition change to data value. Choose the appropriate data variable, set the start value to 0 and end value to 40, with a duration from 0 to 2000 milliseconds. We'll add another transition. Set the transition type to set value and transition change to generate event. Now, map custom event in the custom event section. Set the start value to 0, and select Post Animation from the drop-down menu. Click OK to confirm. Now proceed to handle the events in the state machine for boot animation. Click on the default state machine under the HSM folder. In the list of states, select the welcome screen and scroll down to the events section. Click the Add button. Select Group as a custom event. Map the custom event you created as an argument, and specify the next state. With this setup, the screen automatically switches to the next screen when the animation completed event is triggered. Now, simply export and simulate it. Check out our next tutorial on view-to-view animation. Thank you.